I'm Leah from BBcrafts here in Southern California, and I'm going to show you how to make another design on our 16-inch wreath frame with the tinsel ties. I'm going to be using our yellow deco mesh with the gold lines. I'm also going to be using our white deco mesh with the gold metallic lines. See how easy the deco mesh can be cut, and I'm cutting 2 at a time, 2 of each, and I'll be cutting 18 of each on these. I'm going to go ahead and use this as our base. I believe it's our ivory with the gold lines. This is eyelash deco mesh. I'm going to go ahead and do poofs around my base. I'm going to just gather it up on the end and put all my tinsel ties in the middle. I'm going to tuck them out of the way. Go ahead and spread out all the, we have 10 tinsel ties on the outside. This is our work wreath. I'm just going to gather it and put it right into the tie. And these ties are very strong and sturdy, and they hold your mesh really well. So again, I'm doing 12-inch poofs around the bottom. And this is one of the easiest ways to make a wreath base is with poofs, because it does also eliminate a lot of the frame. Where I started, you could see the tail of the mesh right there, and I like to just put a zip tie right in there and tighten that mesh to the frame itself. It cuts down on any fraying that might happen. I'm also going to just trim the tail where we started, so you've got a nice clean finish. And then I'm going to go upward and go to the closest tinsel tie and just go ahead and wrap that tinsel tie right around the mesh. And again, I'm going to start measuring 12 inches, and I have 10 around the outside and 8 around the inside. Okay, and I think you guys can see that. So that's the beginning of our wreath. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these, I have yellow and I have the white and gold, and I'm just simply going to curl them up. You just start from one end of your mesh and you just kind of allow it to curl itself, so you don't get those ends. Then you just put them on top of each other, put the folded side down, and I'm going to go ahead and start on the bottom and just add that right in. And I'm just going to keep on going and doing the same thing. And you can see how nice that's coming along. Okay, so I finished this base. I did 12-inch poofs around the outside base and on the inside base. I did 10 poofs on the outside, 8 poofs on the inside, and then I simply cut my curls. I did cut it with a rotary cutter. I cut my curls 18 inches, and then I just rolled them, laid them on top of one another, and added them right to the tinsel ties. And again, you could do the same thing with pipe cleaners, and you can see it comes out beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful base.